Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll try with 7 steps to forecast total logistic cost. For this purpose we'll use AdaBoost regressor algorithm. Let's start from the beginning, from the code. So first step will be import required libraries. Code libraries for the manipulation and numerical computation will be pandas and numpy. Then you have machine learning libraries. In this case will be basically scikit-learn with AdaBoost regressor, decision tree regressor, train test split, and min absolute error to evaluate our model. The steps will be visualization of our results, and for this case we're using matplotlib. Let's start with set random seed for reproducibility, so numpy random seed 42. The second step will be create sample transportation dataset. In this case we will have shipment ID, distance in kilometer, fuel cost per kilometer, traffic index, weather condition, delivery time per hour, and total transportation cost. So we create data here, and then using pandas to create with this data at pandas data frame. So data frame equal to pandas data frame and the data. We use head to see some how our data looks like. We can see it here. Some sample data preview. Then what we're doing is to pre-processing our data. We will use one hot encoding for weather condition to handle categorical variables, and then split data into features and the targets. So we're using pandas get dummies for the data frame for columns weather condition. Then we define features x and target variable y. So y will be just total transportation cost, and x will be distance kilometers, fuel cost per kilometer, traffic index, delivery time hours, weather condition rainy, and weather condition snowy. Last thing here is to split data into training 80% and testing 20% sets. Then we try to use the AdaBoost model, train it. Will be base learner decision tree regressor with max depth of 4, so it's kind of weak learner. Ensemble model, AdaBoost regressor, and then an estimator's number of weak learners 100. We're creating AdaBoost model with decision tree as a base learner, so model equal AdaBoost regressor. Then we train the model. We are training it with X-train in Y-train. Then we will be evaluation our model. So with min absolute error, we'll use indicate better model performance. So predict on the test set, y predict, model equal predict, x test. Then we will calculate min absolute error. So MIA equal min absolute error, y test, y predict, and then print our results. Step number 6, it will be feature our importance visualization. Visualize which features have the most impact on the transportation cost. In this case, we extract features importances, model equal, model features importances, feature names, x columns. Then we're using matplotlib to plot our feature importances with PLT figure, PLT bar, x, title, and the show. We can see it here, which have the most important. In this case, it would be distance kilometer, fuel cost per kilometer, traffic index, delivery time hours. Weather conditions are not so important in this case. Last thing will be to make a sample prediction. So create a sample input and provide sample to predict the transportation cost. So here we will create pandas data frame with the same columns previously, and then predict the new value. So predict cost, model predict, sample input, and then print values. We can see here min absolute error from previous one, 1500, and then we can see predict transportation cost for sample input 3100. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.